Want to earn passive income from P2P lending? Get up to 4% cashback on your investment. Discover new loan originators and track the latest platform results before everyone else? Then this video is for you. Today, we cover the latest P2P marketplace platform news, including active bonus campaigns, new lending partners, platform results, fresh investment products, and key updates from platforms like Mintos, Robocash, TWINO, and more. Want to boost your returns with cashback? Loanch has launched a summer cashback bonus where investors can earn up to 4% cashback on new deposits invested in eligible Tambadana loans. The campaign runs from May 18th to June 18th, 2026, and the more you invest, the higher your cashback. The maximum cashback is €800 per investor, with payments planned for August 31st, 2026. So, if you are already considering Tambadana loans, this campaign could give your returns an extra push. And now, a simple but attractive bonus from Lendermarket. The platform has upgraded its referral program. When you invite a friend and they invest at least €500 within their first 30 days, both of you receive a €75 bonus. This is not a temporary cashback campaign. It is a permanent upgrade to the referral program. So, for investors who already use Lendermarket and want to invite friends, this can be an easy way to add extra value. Now let's move to platform results and major updates, starting with Hive 5. Hive 5 had a big month. The platform announced the new group CEO. It also shared that 2024 was its first year of consolidated profitability, with €11.5 million in revenue and €1.9 million EBITDA. In May 2026 alone, Hive 5 funded €8.8 million, paid €5.3 million in interest to investors, and reached 29,000 registered investors. The average nominal interest rate was 13.6%. And one more big update. Hive 5 has started development of a secondary market, which could give investors more flexibility and early exit options. That is a very important feature for P2P investors who care about liquidity. PeerBerry also reported very strong results. In May 2026, the platform had a record-breaking month with €35.7 million funded loans. That is a 35% increase compared to April. Investors earned €960,000 in interest, while the total portfolio size reached a record €126 million. PeerBerry's main partner, Aventus Group, also reported impressive Q1 2026 numbers, including €24 million net profit, €378 million in loans issued, and a total loan portfolio of €393 million. On top of that, PeerBerry welcomed a new loan originator from Australia, adding more geographic diversification for investors. Now let's talk about agricultural crowdfunding. LANDE reported strong Q1 2026 growth, with €7.8 million funded. That is almost 3 times more year over year. The platform also launched a new market in Poland, which could create more diversification opportunities for investors. Another interesting point. LANDE said the average annualized return for investors increased from 11.95% in January to 13.96% in April 2026. At the same time, loan terms became shorter, which can help investors rotate capital faster. For investors interested in agriculture-backed lending, LANDE is definitely one to watch. Let's return to Lendermarket because the platform has several important loan originator updates. First, Lendermarket added FLOWPAY as a new loan originator. FLOWPAY provides AI-powered, revenue-based SME loans from the Czech Republic, offering yields up to 11% APY, terms of up to 12 months, and a buyback obligation. Lendermarket also onboarded Gatelink, an independent loan originator for Credit Star-related loans. And it added RapiCredit Iberica, giving investors exposure to Spanish consumer credit. So Lendermarket is clearly working on expanding its loan originator base and improving diversification. Hive 5 also shared strong news from its lending partners. Its loan originator Credilink crossed €1 million in loan originations within just 7 months of operating in Romania. Credilink offers returns of up to 14.5% with terms up to 24 months. Hive 5 also launched a new 2-year business loan product through Firmeo, also with a 14.5% interest rate. This is important for investors looking for higher yield loan products. But, as always, higher returns also require careful risk assessment. Now, a new product update from Mintos. Mintos is expanding beyond traditional loan investing and introducing residential real estate investments in Spain. The new product was launched in partnership with Profiro. It allows retail investors to invest in long-term rental housing in regional Spanish cities, starting from just €50. This is a major step in Mintos' multi-asset strategy. For investors, it means more ways to diversify, not only through loans, but also through real estate exposure. Robocash has rolled out new functionality for its summary page. The update brings back accrued earnings tracking, adds date filters, and introduces a new bonus progress panel for users invited by friends. This may sound like a small update, but for active investors, better tracking tools are important. They help investors understand earnings, monitor bonuses, and manage portfolios more efficiently. Sometimes, small functionality improvements can make the platform much easier to use. A few more updates worth mentioning. TWINO announced that its CEO, Norris Blocks, was recognized as Fintech Leader of the Year at the Baltic Fintech Days Awards. Meanwhile, Esketit reminded investors about its broad lender network, including Jet Finance, Mojo Capital, Spanda Capital, JMD Investments, C and more. For P2P investors, this matters because loan originator diversification is one of the key ways to reduce concentration risk. At Crowdfunding, we make regular reviews like this not only about P2P investing, but also about startup investing, real estate crowdfunding, green energy investments, and other alternative investment opportunities in Europe. So, if you want to discover the best investment opportunities earlier, compare platforms faster, and stay informed before investing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Crowdinform, because the best opportunities often go first. See you in the next review.